Okay guys, we are at another winch out. Grab the handy dandy gloves. Okay. Okay. This one should be fairly simple and straightforward. We're just gonna hook it, slap it onto the snatch block on the side of my bed there, and give her a nice little tug. And that should be all she needs. Okay. Might need some extra. Man, I miss my old truck. I had so much extra slack. Oh, we got some more. Okay, I'll call that good. Lock that. Don't bust my ass. Okay. Let the school bus through. Okay. Let's try that again. Okay, you got nice beefy control arms. That's good. Are you able to crank your tire this way? Keep coming. Ah, that's good. Okay, come on. Beat up to the side. Stay to one side, pull you out a little bit further. Okay, so can't get to that control arm, so I'm hooked up to this side. I'm gonna pull it, shift you a little bit, free up that side, then I'm gonna have you apply the brakes so you don't move. I'm gonna hook up to that side and pull you straight out, okay?
What should I do now?
Just right now, just keep her in park, okay? So you're gonna feel the back end shift, but you're not gonna go anywhere.
Okay, I'm not gonna touch nothing.
Okay. Okay. Drum is locked up. We're good there. Crank your wheel this way. Hold it. Put yourself in neutral. It might actually come straight out. No e-brake? Okay. There we go. Hold the brake. that are a little closer. I can work with this. Crank your wheels up for me. Keep going. That's good. Hold the brake. We're connected. We're connected. There's some tension. Okay, crank your wheels this way for me. You can put her in neutral. No, straight. Alright. Pretty sure you're out now. Yes, perfect. Okay. It's coming. You want to straighten your wheels out for me? This way?
Oh, this way? Okay. Sorry, I lost track of which way I
No, you're good. Perfect, right there. Get this disconnected. I said I was going to put on my coat for this next one. Okay. Okay, sorry, Mr. UPS man. Okay, so what I'm gonna have you do, because I just gotta grab some more pictures for the insurance, is just pull up right over here. I'll pull up like right in front of you,
Okay.
or right behind you, and I'll just grab some pictures and you're free to go. Not a problem. Okay. Okay. Grab some pictures. So yeah, in that one, I was just about to tell you, there's a decent amount of snow in that wheel well. So if you look over here on the inside, that whole rotor's compacted. So you're gonna feel a little bit of wobbleness, but that should just work its way out. No, you're good. You're good. And we are all set.
Okay, thank you so much
No problem.
for all your help.
Drive safe. Have a good day. Okay, do we have enough? We gotta put some pictures in here. I don't know if I have enough service. No address associated. Let's go. Okay, guys, we'll talk to you later.